Carlson, actually, to tell you frankly, ही जी झाड हा फाटल्यान ती प्रॉपर्टी 183/3 पडटा आणि जे प्रॉपर्टी जे फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट and परमिशन दिला is 188/4. So from yesterday we have been asking for one second please. From yesterday we have been asking for permissions की बाबा मातशें permission दाखोय म्हणून आमकां. First permission that they brought was this permission, which was a invalid permission. It was already expired. Then they brought another notice, आणि ते नोटिसार पासून सारखे information बरोवंक ना. If you check the details of that, it is not proper. So we have asked, then after that we all went and we complained, we got signatures from all citizens, we went to Forest Department in Mapsa and we lodged an official complaint to put a stop order for this work that is going on. Now when you look at these pointers, there are a few things that we need to know. That when Forest has given permission, they have not marked the trees properly. They have not done their survey properly, saying that which land belongs to that person. Now, if you check also 188/4, where the tree cutting permission is given, he is not the sole owner. Government of Goa ha, PWD ha, as well as engineer ha, आणि दोग जाण ha. So how can he plainly write an application to cut the trees? They have to be also co-owners mentioned there. That is one wrong thing that has happened because no one checks survey plans, no one checks properties over there. So we as citizens have come yesterday. From yesterday we've been fighting. We've showed the police all the documents जे हा, valid documents जे हा. अजून and Carlson eyes पासून ती पोतून येऊन they started cutting the trees. So we have got the stay order now, and it is the victory of the public because even the Mamladar today, when we called him, was going as per the order, and even the police were in support of the order. No one checking which land it belongs to, and this land belongs to Comunidad de Taligaon. It doesn't belong to anyone else. In spite of the people saying that the land is not theirs, this has been the fault. And see this butcher that they have done of this tree. They have murdered this tree. And these are all the citizens who came down from all over.
Yeah.
Sir, please.
No,
this is the
see,
resident over here.
this is sadly a case where if everything is being done legitimately, we have no issues. It's a clear case of violation. Two reasons. The property where the tree is being cut belongs to the Comunidad. The Comunidad representative is here saying that we are not interested in cutting the tree, neither have we obtained any permission. In spite of showing it both on the plan as well as on the permission that this falls in a survey number that belongs to the Comunidad, the authorities concerned are giving them a go ahead to go and cut it, till thankfully we got a stay order from the Forest Department. This is ridiculous, violation of all kind of laws, and particularly criminal sections. Cutting of a tree is a criminal offense. We plan to take this up. This is not right. The property is somewhere else. They're cutting a tree somewhere else, and the authorities, in spite of showing, all permissions not being with the citizens, is a sad reflection of the state of affairs over here in Goa today. Finally talking about, the ownership of the next land. The next land happens to have belonged to, as she explained, to a number of parties, whereas only one of that party has gone and got and managed a permission to cut two trees, which we don't know which they are. There is no plan to show which tree is being cut. In any case, that doesn't come into play because it's a separate, survey number. The tree is here